NBC29 forecast.
Well, good Tuesday evening. It's certainly been a wet go of things here on the 6th day of December. Chilly temperatures hanging out in the 40s. At 49 currently is our high for the day at the airport. Again, light rain falling. Winds have been light across much of the region. Not a whole lot of difference between the air temperature and the dew point, meaning the air mass is saturated, so we won't see a whole little drop off of the numbers here tonight. And there will certainly be areas of fog to contend with. 47, some light rain at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. And you can see how temperatures are fairly uniform in this saturated and damp environment, pretty much in the upper 40s at this hour. NBC29's Doppler radar, this is a 4-hour loop, and you can see right now we've got some heavier rain, especially south of the James River through portions of Buckingham back into Nelson County. We'll zoom in on some of this activity. Some of the rainfall rates now are greater than 3/4 of an inch, almost 0.8 per hour, but it's not stationary. It's moving. But again, wet through Dillwyn, some moderate rain through Andersonville, up toward Wingina, back into Nelson County, Lovingston, Rockfish, and again, all that sliding off to the east. And then we'll likely catch a little break in the action after this batch rolls through. There it is, just starting the loop. Here it comes. And now it's beginning to move through portions of central Virginia. There'll be drizzle and areas of fog that will persist here for the overnight. So temperatures won't move a whole lot, pretty much in the mid to upper 40s as we head into the overnight period. Now tomorrow, best chance of rain in the morning through about midday, early afternoon. But it should be the mildest day of the week. Southwesterly winds as a front rolls through, and that'll allow temperatures to climb into the low to maybe some middle 60s, but we'll still have unsettled conditions through the end of the week. Now, I think Thursday's largely dry for us, kind of break between the two weather systems, upper 50s, and then more rain on Friday. So right now, from tonight through Friday night, we're talking about additional rain of maybe 1/2 inch to over an inch. So far today, many of us have seen anywhere from 1/10 to about 3/10 of an inch of rain thus far. And that was the American GFS model, the European model, much the same. So that takes us through Friday evening. So we essentially have a warm front that's draped off to our south and west. It's having a hard time pushing through. Tomorrow, a better opportunity for that to happen. But we remain in a wind flow aloft out of the southwest, and with the front nearby, the impulses of energy riding along it, it's going to keep us unsettled. And we look at the nation as a whole, there's some Arctic air across the northern plain states, but we're not going to have to deal with that. We're going to be dealing with just the wet conditions here through the end of the week. You can see some of that chillier air that's wedged down east of the Appalachians, temperatures in the 40s to around 50, much milder off to our west through the Ohio Valley. So here we are tonight into the overnight, still dealing with some light rain, some drizzle, areas of fog. And then here we are in the morning. There's our best chance of rain through about midday, and then it should begin to taper off as we head into the afternoon. I think it'll be a much milder day with those southwesterly winds in the low and mid 60s. Thursday now, again, largely dry throughout much of the day. We'll cloud back up, temperatures in the 50s, then we'll await the rain back in here to finish out the week on Friday. 40s tonight, more showers, drizzle, areas of fog. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. So just an unsettled stretch here, but Thursday largely dry, and after tomorrow's rain, again, a little break in the action. We'll watch Friday. Right now, keeping our fingers crossed for the weekend. May have a lot of clouds around, temperatures either side of 50.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.